Hi, I wanted to take you on a brief tour of my prompt. My prompts always follow this same model where I list your sources at the top. I have kind of an overview paragraph with some highlighted lines, which you should keep your eye on. Let's take a look at this one. In Essay 1, I want you to apply a pair of Stevens and Townsend's concepts, independence and interdependence, to your life as a student. Make an argument about how the culture of independence or interdependence from which you come sets you up for success in college or conversely holds you back. So this tells you need to pay really close attention to the way Stevens and Townsend defined those terms. Those you can look those terms up in the dictionary, but you need to understand how they're using them in a particular way, and you need to define how they're using those terms, not the dictionary definition. Also keep an eye on this line here. Your essay should include personal evidence as well as evidence drawn from your sources. I do want you to use both of the sources, but also personal evidence to back up your argument. You'll always see a thesis template that you can use, fill in the blanks and use if you would like to. It says tutoring requirement, but actually the tutoring is a suggestion in the summer because we have such limited time, but there's great tutoring available in the library, and I will make that information available too. So I'll end by saying it's really important. I suggest you print out the prompt and keep it with you for every step of the way, or download it to your desktop and just refer to it often over this next week.